Another delicious breakfast.
Just another peaceful day.
Someone's at the door.
Who is it?
Oh, good morning, Chief. What's wrong? You seem worried. Oh, something terrible has happened and we have to quarantine.
What? We can't go outside? We were gonna mine for coal today.
You'll let us mine for coal? The village's coal is low.
Yay! We can go outside.
Still, I'm nervous about going outside. Something bad happened, so we should stay inside.
What? I'm sure it's fine. We'd be able to tell if there was something wrong.
Okay.
Let's go mining!
Okay, let's head straight for the mine.
Yeah!
Gotta change first.
Okay.
Mikey, your shoes.
Whoops!
All right, let's stock up on items. Let's go.